From Spire Weather and Climate, I'm meteorologist James Van Fleet. Hope you've had a great Tuesday. And now, as we head into Wednesday, we're going to talk about the series of storms in North America, in the U.S., that are the first wave hitting the East Coast today. And then we have two more in the barrel, with actually even a possible fourth one offshore in the Pacific. So, for those of you businesses who are really dependent on these forecasts, whether you're an energy trader, an energy company, supply chain, our clients are over the entire spectrum. We want to give you at least a glance of some of the things that we're tracking. Of course, with this winter storm moving into DC, New York, around Philadelphia, and then on into Boston today, these are all the current watches and warnings up. And you can see there's a lot around the country, and it's all winter weather based. So I want to give you some of the details of what we're looking at in the forecast as this system here in the Northeast moves offshore today. There will be not only a chance for heavy snowfall back up around the Great Lakes and Northeast by the end of the day, Wednesday, and into the early hours Thursday. The front that it's dragging will have a chance at some severe weather. In fact, tomorrow's video will be all about those of you who are working and headed inbound for Daytona 500, as they are a client of ours, the Daytona International Speedway. But we're going to highlight that because so many of you are inbound to work the event. And I want to make sure you have a heads up. And of course, if you want to investigate further, you can DM me, and we're happy to do so and help you out in any way we possibly can in a forecast for your employees, assets, and everything. With this system on Thursday in the pre-dawn hours moving up the Great Lakes in the Northeast, the concern for me is that anywhere from Virginia down to the Gulf Coast, severe weather is a possibility. And I know that's not something you typically hear in February. So we want to call that out and make sure you're aware. And that line does come into Florida through the day on Thursday and early morning hours on Friday. And then what's interesting, the leftover moisture from that comes right back up in the U.S. from the Gulf at the same time. And I'll back this up. This major atmospheric river winter storm hitting California, Nevada, Oregon, and on into Idaho and Wyoming. This system is going to be very difficult to work around and keep operations running. So we want to make sure we've called that out and that you're closely watching if you already are a client of ours. Having said that, that merges with this energy in the Gulf, and we've got a whole new winter storm / severe weather threat as we head into Saturday and Sunday for the Northeast, and then possibly in the race on Sunday. So again, we'll talk about all that, but if I can help you with a personalized forecast for your business and helping you just understand what's coming your way, again, send me a DM. Happy to do that. And until I see you tomorrow, have a great day.